Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you some passing chords in the key of A flat that will take you to the 6. So let's get straight into it. Let's say you're in A flat and you want to go to the 6. The first thing you might think of is a 7-3-6. Right? But let me show you another way to play that. So one, we could play right? So again, right, let's break that down. So we have the 1 for the 7 we played, this chord. The right hand is playing this, the left hand is playing that. So we get this. Then we played the C sharp. Then after the C sharp, we go to this chord. The right hand is playing that, and the left hand is playing this. So we have, and the next chord is this. The right hand has this, it's that diminished chord, but we're playing the G down here. Right, so right hand and left hand. So we have and we're basically playing this diminished down a different inversion. So we remove the E and put it down here, and then we want to go to the 6. So the 6 is basically this. The right hand, you can slide from the F to the F sharp to the G, and the left hand is playing this. So we have right. So let's move on to something else. We could play let's see, let's say we're on the 4. We could play that. It's basically a sharp 4 to a sharp 5 to a 6. But we're playing so it's a diminish, alright, so let's show you exactly what we played. So the first one is, we're not playing the D here, we're moving the D down in our left hand, right? And this is the second one. We're not playing the F here, we're playing the F down a bit in our left hand, and then we bring everything down a semitone. We're not playing the E here, we're playing it in our left hand, and then we play the inversion. So we're not playing the G in our right hand, we play it in our left hand, and then we end up at the 6. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 chords before you get to the 6. You could even add this one to get to the 6 as well. So instead of, you could play, right? So this is the other one, which is basically a E diminish. So we're not playing the the B flat in the right hand, playing it in the left hand, and we get to the 6 right here. So what else can we do? Let's see. So let's show you that one. So we're on the 4, then we play this one, we go down to the 3. So but we have a movement in our right hand. We play the B flat inversion to the C inversion to the B major 7. We play the 7 down here, right? And that's over the 3, which is the C. We could play this note to continue the melody, right? Then we hit this. So this is what I have in the right hand, and the left hand. So this is the 6, whichever way you want to voice your 6. So let's see what else can we do. So we're on the 4 again. Go to the 5. So I'm going to show you this one. A passing chord. Instead of playing a tritone, we all know the tritone, you could replace the tritone with so the right hand has this chord right here. My thumb is playing both the A and the B. The left hand has this. And you see all these, the left hand sounds totally different on its own. The right hand sound different on its own, and combining both you get that lovely sound. And this is a 6 that you can play. Right hand. And the left hand has. Right? So what else can we do? We'll show you the 7. So let's now show you that. So let's say you're, instead of playing this, you could play the 7. Right? So that chord is this one. So the right hand is playing this. The left hand has. And we're just taking everything up from here as semitone. Right? And you get this chord. Right? So that's one, that one is pretty cool. So I showed you from the 4. You even can start from the 1. Right? And I showed you from the 4. You even can start from the 1. Right? And let's see, I showed you, let's do that one again. Let's try something. You can, instead of starting from the B flat, you can even add an extra chord. Start from the A. So you get this. So instead of playing the C down here, you can bring it up and play this in the left hand. This or this. Right? So what else can we do? Let's say we're on the 6th one again. So we can do that, right? So the progression is basically from the 7th chromatic right down to the sharp 5. Right? So the first chord is this. The right hand is playing that. The left hand has this. And the rest from here is very easy because all we're doing is taking every note down a semitone. And this is the second one, which is over the F sharp. And we do the same thing again. And then we do the same thing again to finalize it. Right? So those are the chords. So we just added some flair to it from we twirled from the E to the F to give it that sound. And on this chord we did from the D and the third chord we did from the D up, and the final one from the C, C sharp, D, D, right? That's cool. And something just came to me. You could also do so that's something common you normally hear. I rarely play that though. And it's just a diminished from the C to 3, then to, and they end up on the 6. So what I would do, you could combine what I showed you before. One of the ones I showed you before with this one. So let's see, we're playing it. Right? So you remember that one? So we combine that with right? So let's see what else we can combine it with. That could work. Not my favorite one, but that could work. So let's see. So we could do that thing. So in the left hand, I just did. So this is the chord we want to play as the passing chord, but we did some leading notes in the left hand. So that you can use as a passing chord on its own. For example, 4 on its own to the 6, or you want to combine it. Right? So guys, give these chords a shot and let me know what you think.